Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that the crude is continuously in an uptrend. Since you can say April 2020, after making this particular position in negative, it has made a position at around 0.42 and from there it is continuously rising. Okay, so in 2020 we have seen the price is continuously in uptrend. Okay, so one more thing I have to explain you that whenever it tries to make a high, we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, now before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodity is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now if you look at the chart, what we can see, I have already told you that range where the crude has moved, and after this range has break, it made a low around 33 point and high of around 44 to 33. Okay, and this is a high for 2021, and when it break this particular range, made another high and went up to a level of 68, we have seen again a fall till a level of 56. Okay, and this is the first and this is the second. Now we look at the chart, it has moved from this particular high, made another high of around 76.81. this is the third high. Okay, again there is a profit booking has come at this particular level, middle of around 61.4. okay, 61.4, made a high of around 68.80. okay, this high was around 43, made a high of around 68, middle of around 61, middle of around 58. So now after making this particular half 77, it made a low of around 61. Okay, $10, this is also $10, this is also $10. After we have seen a rise, it moved upside, and what we have seen, whenever it has made a new high for 85, again we have seen a sharp fall that has come to a level of 64. okay, that is around $20 of downside. okay, so now what we can see that if the price sustain this level, that means if it goes above this level, that means if it stays above 93 or 95, what we can see, there is a probability, or till 900, in between this particular range, we can see a sharp fall can come. okay, there is a probability because we have seen this pattern is forming. okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see further upside. okay, so this is the particular 77, this is 85, that means from 77 to 85, and this is a level of 68, that means 68, every $10 we have seen a downfall. So probability that 95 to 96 or 94 to 100, there can be a probability of we can see a fall. okay, so what you can see, that probability of going downside, suppose if the price sustain this level, that means suppose if it goes to a level of 93 to 95, we can see probability of 90, 100, 98 to 100, we can see there is a chances of we can see a sharp fall. That means till around 85 or 77 we can see, because whenever it made a high, we have seen a fall has come. okay, fall has come, so probability there are chances it can fall. But suppose if it falls, the probability, suppose if it didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 90.15, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 88.52, 88.82. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 87.82, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 85.15. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 79.81, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 77.14. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 73.81, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 70.80. again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain a current level, made a high of around 93.15, if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 90.15, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 87.12. once if it breaks 87.12, we can see it can come down to a level of 86.48, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 85.15. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come and fall to a level of 82.81, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 81.81. Suppose once if it falls below this level, then we can see it can fall further low to a level of 79.48, and from there we can see it can come to a level of 77.14. And once this 77 level didn't sustain, we can see further fall towards 75.47, and from there we can see a level of 74.14. and once if it goes below this level, then towards a level of 72.81, and then 70.81 also we can see. Okay, then further fall we can see. But suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see further upside for crude, and suppose then we can see it can go to a level of 93.16, and if this price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 94.24, and from there we can see further upside towards a level of 96.41, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 99.11, and from there we can see it can further high, it can reach to a level of 100.109. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 101.27 also. Okay, but looking at the chart, whenever we have seen there is a probability of falling down, so let's see where it sustain. If it goes above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 98 to 100 also, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a fall towards 85.60, and we can see a level of 60.41, 76.41 also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.